Hi friends, today we are going to know how to install Kafka in Windows machine. I think it's 2 minutes job. Really it's not more than that. We must thankful to Kafka such a easy installation. So whoever new to Kafka or going to learn, I recommend to start on single node, either Windows or Linux machine. Mostly we'll have a Windows machine, so let's start in Windows machine. I recommend try to understand at least some basic idea about what is Kafka and where we are using this. Before installing Kafka, make sure Java should install. It is mandatory. If anyone not installed, please go to Oracle official OpenJDK link and download. Do not forget to set up Java path. Now download Kafka. Type Kafka in Google search and click the first result. Click on download Kafka button. Select proper version which you are going to download. Scala and Kafka. Please download binary package, not the source package. Please select right version and click the link. I already downloaded Kafka 2.7 with Scala 2.12 version in C directory. You can choose any directory, it is fine. Please extract and rename as Kafka. Delete numbers and special cap. Now we have to create two folders in Kafka directory. Navigate to Kafka directory and create one as data, second one as logs. Similarly, we have to create two more folders under data directory. Now go to data directory and create one as Kafka, second one as Zookeeper. That's it, folder creation completed. Coming to configurations, they are simple steps. First, update zookeeper.properties file. Go to config folder and edit zookeeper.properties file. Find the data directory path line. Update the path which you created on previous steps. Set path properly, that is Windows supported format, and save. Similarly, update server.properties file under same config directory. Open file and find log.directory line and update path correctly. Before updating, check the path exists or not. The path also we created in previous steps. Save the file and close all. That's it. Configurations completed successfully. Now we have to test our installation is done properly or not. Start Zookeeper and Kafka services. First, start Zookeeper. Navigate to bin Windows directory and execute command which I am showing. It will take less than 1 minute to up services depending upon system capability. Similarly, start Kafka service. Navigate bin Windows directory and execute the command as I shown in video. Same way it will up within a 1 minute based on system capability. These all steps are documented very well step by step. Please check in description. Finally, Kafka services are up successfully. Now we have to test with Kafka topic creating. I am creating Kafka topic as all skill tech events. Same way we have to navigate to bin and Windows directory and execute command to create topic. Topic got created now. All skill tech events. Now start producer, which can send events through a topic. Execute command and enter some text. Finally, consumer needs to start, which we are going to receive those messages. Similarly, navigate bin Windows directory and execute the command. You will see messages which you sent previously from producer. Now we'll show you more clearly with producer window and consumer window. You can enter anything from producer and you will receive in consumer within a seconds. Testing completed successfully. We are done with installation. Thank you for watching video. Comment below if any questions. Next, I would like to create Kafka use cases. Let me know your interest with comment.